This book is called Lazlo Learns Recorder by Vicki Weber. Good morning, class. I would like you to meet our new student, Lazlo, the teacher says. Lazlo stands at the front of the classroom. He gives a shy smile as he sits down on the carpet with the students. Lazlo is nervous. What if no one likes me? What if I made a mistake? He thinks to himself. Hi, Lazlo. My name is Amina, the girl next to him says with a smile, and he shakes her hand. All morning long, Amina helps him with their schoolwork. Together, they practice their math facts, read stories, and even play hide and seek at recess. Okay, class, it's time for music. Line up by the door, his teacher says. We get to learn music? Lazlo asks excitedly. Of course. Prepare for more fun, Amina answers. They walk through the door to the music room. Lazlo notices bright colors all around the room and some strange symbols that he does not understand. Miss Marmoset, the music teacher, greets them with a smile. Good morning, everyone. I am excited because today we will start learning the recorder, she says. What is a recorder? Lazlo whispers to Amina. I don't know, she says with a shrug. Miss Marmoset begins passing out long tubes with holes in them to each student. Lazlo thanks her and holds his with confusion. This is a recorder, Miss Marmoset explains. It is an instrument that requires practice and patience. Miss Marmoset plays a short song on her recorder. Lazlo smiles. Wow. It sounds so beautiful, he thinks to himself. Miss Marmoset then shows the class how to hold the recorder using their left hand. When you play the recorder, you only need a tiny amount of air. Place your hand in front of your mouth and practice using quiet, gentle air, she explains. Place your own hand in front of your mouth and blow just like the lemurs. Next, we need to learn the notes on our instruments, she says. Miss Marmoset uses her first finger to cover the top hole and her thumb to cover the hole on the back. The first note you need to know is B, and it looks like this. Lazlo tries to play a B, but instead it makes a squeaky sound. It doesn't sound anything like what Miss Marmoset plays on her recorder. Ouch! Amina covers her ears. I'm sorry. Lazlo apologizes. He tries again, but it makes the same awful sound. Lazlo starts to cry. I'm never going to get it right. Miss Marmoset approaches Lazlo. You'll get it, Lazlo. When your recorder makes a sound you don't like, there are two things to check. Make sure your fingers are completely covering the hole, because they might be letting air escape. Lazlo shifts his fingers and tries again, but it still sounds squeaky. This is impossible! Don't give up, Lazlo. What is the second thing to check, Miss Marmoset? Amina asks. Well, you might be using too much air. Remember that the recorder needs a tiny bit of air. Lazlo lets out a sigh and tries again. A beautiful sounding B comes out of his instrument. I did it! He shouts with excitement. Miss Marmoset smiles. I knew you would. Our next note is A, and it looks like this, she says. Thumb in the back and two fingers in the front. Miss Marmoset walks around the room, helping each student with their new notes. Next, she draws a pattern on the board. Lazlo raises his hand excitedly. Miss Marmoset, those are the notes we just learned. In a different order, he exclaims. Very good. Let's play these patterns together, she says, smiling. Excellent playing, everyone. Place your recorders in your cases and remember to bring them with you next time. When I see you next, we will have more notes to learn, so make sure you practice B and A at home. Miss Marmoset escorts them to the door. That was so fun! When do we get to come back to music class? Lazlo asks. Don't worry, Lazlo. We get to see Miss Marmoset again next week, Amina responds. I can't wait until next week, he says with a smile. He picks up his recorder and plays his own patterns with B&A all the way home.